Hello and welcome back to another video. Christmas is around the corner, so we thought we're gonna do something special. Something which I've honestly wanted to do for quite some time, ever since I saw Alex Joy doing it. So shout out to Alex Joy, you had the idea first, I'm just fucking copying it. But I'm doing my touch, so it's okay I guess. Well, first things first, look who's back. Honestly, I'm so happy on one side because this car is probably my most favorite car and the car that I'm most attached to, because this car made me fall in love with shitboxes. The reason why it was gone is because it took quite a beating last winter. If you come really quick, you see back here it was hit with when the Subi hit me in the rear. The front was also completely damaged, so we had to replace the complete front. We had to paint everything. That's why the wrap is now off the car. But I have to say it looks quite good in white. Yeah, honestly, I'm a bit sad of the condition of the Evo right now. I mean, it's my own fault. I drive the car and it's not perfect. You see that I was driving it, but we were supposed to do like a complete restoration of the car over summer. But the workshop that was supposed to fix the car, well, he didn't just didn't give a shit, honestly. I think he did every other car except mine, and then he just put mine back together in like 2 weeks, and yeah, now it's here. I'm happy that the car is back. I was missing it so much. Like I said, this is my favorite car. We're gonna take good care of it after winter, so after winter it finally gets the well-deserved restoration. It's gonna be pretty similar to the R34, so it's gonna be amazing. But yeah, anyway, now it's winter, now it's Evo time, so the car is finally being used again. We have, like I said, some pretty cool plans for the day, because Christmas time. So if you come with me really quick, also I have a pretty large selection of white cars now. The white M3, white R34, 35 and the Evo. And every single one of them is in a different shade of white. The M3 being like the dirtiest white, but it's just a BMW color. So you see, my Evo is here. Very nice. And we have 200 meters of LED lamps, which we're gonna put onto my Evo. And I actually even have more, like somewhere in my garage. There's more of these if we need more of these, but we'll see how far 200 meters gets us. And then my genius mind thought, how can we connect this to the car, because this is obviously not going to go into like the secret plug. So I bought this, which this is not supposed to be sponsored or anything. I didn't know this brand even existed, but once this is finished charging, we have 3 like plugs for battery, 3 plugs for electricity. We just put this in the trunk of the car, plug them in, and we should be good to go. That sounds like a very smart plan. Yep. So let's go to work and see how far we're gonna get. Honestly, I don't know how many hours this is gonna take. I think probably like an hour, 30 minutes. We'll see. This shit is so much fucking work.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. My fingers have never hurted so much in my entire life from pulling all this duct tape off, sticking it onto here. I really hope this lasts for longer than 5 minutes, because this was so much fucking work. Pretty much 2 hours. We're gonna do more duct tape now so it holds a bit better, because it's probably gonna snow where we're going. Oh, I can't wait to see it for the first time though. Okay, so the moment of truth. Gonna see how it looks for the first time. Ow. Bro, I'm so happy that this works, honestly. Oh my, I can't wait to fucking drive around in this. This is so cool. Oh, we did it perfectly. Oh my god. So all in all, this was like, 3 hours of work.
Yeah.
To make my car look like this. I hope it's not gonna rip off in like 5 minutes of driving.
No.
Because obviously it's snowing outside, but I think we did a pretty good job. We did like every single inch where there's no light duct tape now. Yeah, okay. I guess we have to see how it looks on the street and see how this goes. Hello. It's now the next day. I got a bit paranoid, so I'm putting even more duct tape on my Evo. The first roll is already out of duct tape, so I'm now on my second roll of duct tape. But also at the same time, we have a new company today, which is another Evo. Actually, has a bit of a different plan. We're gonna put this tree on the Evo. I mean, you probably saw it like a million times, but it's still gonna be fun. And now we're gonna nice thing, whatever the fuck this is. We hopefully can plug some lights onto the tree. And then we have 2 Evos with lights and a Christmas tree, which is very Xmas mood. So let's hope it holds. We're gonna try to put this on here now.
Hey, oh, wow, wow. Mega geil.
Ho ho ho! Yeah, we have a little change of plans. Mr. Sheepman is at the North Pole now because my reindeers, they all got fucking COVID, so they are not really running anymore. And he told me I can use his Evo. So today we're going to test drive the Evo to see if it really works instead of my lovely reindeers. At least there's some Christmassy lights on there. Merry Christmas.
Ho, ho, ho.
Obviously, we have to fill up my hungry reindeer first before we do anything. But so far, the lights seem to hold on pretty great, I think. I don't want to jinx it, but it looks promising. We are on the hunt for snow. As you can see, it's not really snowing here, so we have to go deep into the mountains because my reindeer has to be snowproof, obviously. Yeah, as you can see, we found some really nice snow here. Cool, oder? Yeah, so far it's holding up pretty good. Let's hope it holds for the rest of the night. Are you ready to see what this reindeer can do? Yes. And also, I should probably say that I have a new suspension in my Evo, which apparently is a bit too low for spike tires. So you're gonna hear this car scrape a lot, I guess, which is not very good, but what should I do? Oh, it looks so cool with the shit inside as well.
Yeah,
maybe it lights up. These are the perfect Christmas vibes. Wonderful. I just hope the lights don't fucking fall off after like 2 seconds, because I think this is gonna look so cool. I have to say, this is way better than fucking reindeers, but the spikes are a bit annoying. Scraping. Oh my god, I've missed this car so much, money.
Yeah.
Oh,
I feel it.
This is the best. This is the best car ever. Honestly, this is just. Oh my god, I love this car so much. Oh my god. Santa Claus is coming to town, bitches! What a lovely little town here. This is where all my little helpers live. We're at the North Pole right now.
Yeah.
And they all live here. Right inside. It's one of my best buddies here. Reindeers, the little elves, everybody. Well, that's 3 of them. I don't know why they're not working right now. They should be working, packing up Christmas presents and shit. Bro, this guy is probably thinking what the fuck is going on. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Niet in de auto drin. Die voorstermen heet.
They have no spikes compared to me, so they're a bit slower, which makes chasing them way more fun for me. This is so fucking cool, man. I bet you've never seen Santa Claus do this before, but I can do everything. Just meant to do this. That's the good thing about the Evos. If you want to have a winter car, you definitely have to get an Evo. There's no way around it. Subis are cool, yes. GTR works amazing too, but the Evo, oh my god. Well, there's nothing better for me than it's snowing and my Evo and fucking Christmas lights. Well, actually 2 Evos, it's even better. But you need some spikes too, man.
Of course, mean. Of course, my lord. You like some spikes too.
Motherfuckers. Yeah, so I went for one last ride with the Evo and my engine died suddenly. So after having the car at the workshop for nearly 10 months, or even actually a bit more than 10 months, my car just died on the first drive since getting it back, which is just fucking amazing. Battery is dead because we tried starting it so many times, it just suddenly while driving shut off, which is very good. I have to say the Evo never had any issues with me. I've driven it for 3 years now. It was very reliable and it never ever had these kind of issues. And now on the first ride out since 10 months after getting the car back from the workshop, which obviously at the workshop you should check the car and see if it works properly. I mean, I get it, I beat on my Evo, yes, but I just expect after getting a car back from a workshop that it's gonna work for a bit longer than, well, we drove it like 2 hours now. I'm just disappointed right now, very disappointed, and I can't see where I'm going. I have no tow hook in the front, which makes things even better, so we're just rolling down the hill now, reverse, no fucking lights. Oh my god, guys, I tell you, Merry fucking Christmas. I'm still a bit happy because obviously Evo makes me happy, but this is just, yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, Mani, successful evening. Yeah, I'm honestly a bit sad that my Evo broke down. Bernd is coming now. Man, I love Bernd, honestly. He's always there to help me. He's gonna pick up the car now and then look he's gonna see what's broken with it. Sucks honestly a little bit because now it started snowing very, very much, so it would have been cool, but yeah. We got quite many shots, so at least the Evo 9 is gonna do some donuts now for you guys, and then I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. I wish you guys a Merry, Merry Christmas, and yeah. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was something I wanted to do since last year, so shout out to Joy. My mom would have loved this, honestly, with all the lights. It was so cool. Yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful time with your family and everybody. Be ready for next week's video. It's gonna be best of 2023, which is gonna be amazing. I hope you enjoyed it. We're gonna try to figure out the Evo because I want to drive it more this winter. And I see you guys in the next video.